Alright guys, I know this is going to be 2 separate videos going up on YouTube, but I just took my jacket off and I've been jumping around for like an extra 15 minutes since, my last video. Yeah, part 2. But, you see, I'm not wearing my fucking jacket anymore. So my old fucking shoes I've been wearing for like the past 2 fucking years. Yeah. But, yeah. Probably a little more jumping around, because it's fucking fun, man. Hey, there's a phone in it. It's not really lit. It seems bright on camera, but it's not really that bright in real life. It was green here. Or is that just me? I don't know. No, it's the camera. But it looks green. There's another one over there. You're gonna hear me jump it, but you're not gonna really see it. Just hear me. Oh, it's green over here too. Wait, 'cause it's the grass. No, that's fucking one's over here too. That one's brighter. That one's a little bright. Alright, jump back now. I heard that, right? I think this one is just green. Flat out fucking green. What's that? I heard that fuck up, so I don't know. Maybe it's this killer clown conspiracy on YouTube. I for sure will not be killed in this video, that's for sure. But hey, see you in a minute. Alright guys, so part 1's gonna be going up today. Today's Thursday. And I'm uploading the second part here on Friday, which is tomorrow. If you're wondering why I'm not in school. Because it's teacher in service for the next 2 days, and Monday is Columbus Day, obviously, but who the fuck would know that unless I didn't tell you? Probably everybody. Oh shit. Whew, you guys probably wondering where the fuck's the jump. Wait. I hear snapping. I hear snapping, guys. This video might be creepy, hang on a minute. I hear so many weird fucking noises. Crickets are obviously not weird, but fucking... I hear snapping of twigs over there, like over in that direction there. That's probably just branches falling off a tree. Shit, I'm getting creeped out here. From these clown fucking things I've been watching on YouTube. Oh, that was definitely snapping of twigs. Shit. I hear a car, and I hear it. Okay guys, let's just do a little bit more jumping, then we're gonna go inside. So, yeah, let's go. Oh shit, that's fun. Oh, green light. I see a bug in cam. Shit. I feel like walking back, but I keep hearing so many fucking weird things in the woods. Shit. This video's going up tomorrow morning around whenever I get up, because I don't have my sleeping medicine tonight. So there's no way this is going up tonight. First one is though. Shit. This video's 4 minutes. I'm pointing at it? Yeah, I'm pointing at it. Fuck it. Whoa. That's fun. I just sit down and listen. Alright guys, so I'm just here listening to the... Fuck, you don't always want to hear my breathing. Yeah, I'm just here listening to sounds in the woods because I just don't... Fucking moths over there. Sorry if you're looking at this tree, but I'm just listening to the woods. I can hear a helicopter right now. It's incredibly quiet. Sorry if you hear the mic, I was just intentionally doing that right into the mic. If that is a mic, it might be. I don't know, is the bottom of an LG, like next to this little tiny LG phone, is that the mic, a tiny hole next to it? I don't know. If you can hear this, then tell me. I wonder if that's incredibly loud for you guys. But Oh shit. I hear shit, but fucking bugs are piss off. Okay, fuck you, bug. Fucking mosquitoes. They just don't piss off, do they? Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you please smash the thumbs up button for the jumps and the creepy sounds in the fucking woods. But see you guys in the next video.